Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvi here. So if you must be following since a couple of times, then you must be knowing that I am uploading series of Mamaearth products, and this is also not a sponsored video. I have literally bought this product and it is of rupees 599, that is 600 rupees, and I found it literally costly. I hope it is worth it. And let's see, till now I liked the face mask, Upton face mask of Mamaearth, but face wash was like, yes, I like that too, but I didn't like the smell. And now we'll try this hair mask and see, since I have to wash my hair, so we'll just try this. And this is the product, this is how it looks. Okay, this also says that this is tea tree hair mask with tea tree, argan oil and lemon oil for dandruff and itchy scalp, and it is paraben free, hypoallergenic with bioactives. These three slogans are written on every of the product of Mamaearth, and the tagline of Mamaearth, as it always says, that it recycles more plastic than it uses in this product, so it is environmental friendly as well. And I have seen many YouTubers and many people trying this product, so I'll be trying this on my hair. Since you guys know I don't try many products on my hair, but nowadays I am like trying stuffs, but on my hair this will be the first mask of my life I'll be using. So it is like, literally, we'll just have a look. Okay, it reduces dandruff and controls oil, reduces itching and moisturizes scalp, suitable for colored and treated hair. Okay, I haven't colored my hair, I haven't done anything. And direction for use: part your hair into two halves. Okay, take a palm full of hair mask and apply adequate quantity to wet hair and scalp. Okay, we need to wet our hair before applying this, so I'll just have a shower and come. Leave the mask for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. Wash it with sulfate free shampoo. For best results, use 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, for best result, it is said we must use 2 to 3 times a week, but we'll use today and we'll see how much difference it is there on my hair. Okay, and now we'll just open this box. I haven't opened this box and seen also. Okay, I think. Okay. Oh shit, this is really very big. Like, I don't know, but my hair are also long, so I may need more. We'll just open this plastic. Yeah, it is plastic positive. We recycle more plastic than we use, so this is the great thing. Okay, the same packaging like Upton face mask. Okay, so my mom helped me to open this, and this is in a very liquidy form. The smell is literally very weird. I don't know what's wrong with these products. I guess they are literally like fully natural, that's why their smell is this way. But it is OMG. Okay, we'll just wet my hair and come back and see on my hair. Yeah, just go into my bathroom. Okay guys, I just went into the shower and just wet my hair and just removing the excess water which is not required. It will just keep on dripping all over my body and my home, and my mom will really shout at me. So what they told was to just make the hair into two half. Yeah, I know I look bad, just ignore. Okay, and then we'll apply the mask. See, it's here. As I said, the consistency, I don't know, the smell is really bad. See this. Okay, I don't know. See, you can see it is in white color. Oh no, this is like a creamish type. Yeah, something of the lotion. See, you can see my fingers ka mark. Yeah, I need to take more, I think. Yeah, apply on the palm and apply on your scalp. Yeah, hope for the best. The smell is better than that Upton face mask and face wash. This is what they have said, apply on your scalp as well as on your hair. Yes, since my hair are too long, I need more. It is creamish type, like totally moisturized. Yes, I can feel that. So I hope it don't make my hair oily, but hope for the best. Okay, I'll just tie my hair for 15 minutes. Yes, I have applied buckle and tied my hair for 15 minutes, and then we'll see that how after washing we'll see how it's gonna work. And yeah, okay guys, so 15 minutes are over and my hair are totally like I don't know, dried, or I don't know what's wrong, but they are moist and cream. I can feel the cream. Okay, I'll just wash my hair. Okay, so I'll wash as per written on the product. I'll wash my hair with sulfate free shampoo. That is, I'll be using Mamaearth ka shampoo only. And if you want to see Mamaearth shampoo ka review, then I'll be uploading tomorrow, so stay tuned on my channel. And if it is already uploaded, I'll link that in the description box. And yeah, I'll just wash it and come. Okay, I'll let you guys know once it gets dried, and I'll just hair dry it as soon as possible and then get back to you. Okay guys, so I have washed my hair and I really felt good. Like, it feels that I have done hair spa. So the mask is really amazing. I just loved it, and it is like literally working. I am like, I'll use this product. It is worth rupees. Like, whatever we are spending on that mask, it is really worth. So you can go for it. Yeah, it's really amazing. And this is not a sponsor. This is something which I am telling you guys and which I have used on my hair. And this is something really my own review, and the reason for this video was that only, that this is not a sponsored, so I can give my correct reviews for the product. Yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.